Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the best camera setting for a night mode photo on Android phones. So if you want to take a photo at night but you want a best result for your night photo, so what you need to do is follow the steps. So open your camera on your Android phone, then click on the more options, go to the pro mode of the camera, click on pro. Then in here you need to set this, so just click on the S in here and set it to around 10 to 13 like this. And then after that, set the ISO into the smallest one in here, so that means 50, just like this. Then you can just start taking the photo, or you can also use a timer for not shaky photo. So click on the settings at the top and set the timer to around 3 or 5 seconds. Then you can just take a picture here. Okay, and you can just wait around 30 seconds to see the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye.